Hello po, good day po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Meet Sabache, and I'm an accredited seller of the MCA Home. So today, tara samahan nyo ako at i-discuss ko po sa inyo si Valeron Towers. Okay po? Hello po, so kamusta po kayo? So it's been a while since my last video. I think parang third week of March yata yung last upload ko sa inyo. Pero right now, ito, magbabalik po ulit ako. Medyo naging busy lang po. So ngayon, itutur ko kayo ngayon. This one is one of our newest showroom here in C5, Pasig City. Okay, so ito po yung bagong project namin, si Valeron Tower. So before we start po, a quick information about Valeron Tower. So Valeron Tower is located along C5 Road, okay, corner P. Antonio, in Barangay Ugong, Ugong, Pasig City. So ito right now, meron kaming bagong showroom dito sa area. So malapit ito kay I think kung familiar kayo kay Mitsubishi, yung Diamond Motors. So ito yung dito mismo yung showroom na ginawa natin. So napakaganda. Ito ko kaya pakita ko po sa inyo para doon sa mga hindi pa nakakapunta. Okay? So this one, okay. So pakita ko sa inyo yung si Lanusa. So this is Lanusa. Yan. So right in the intersection. Okay? So if you're going to Eastwood, right after the intersection, makikita niyo yan, meron bridge either papunta sa bridge na papuntang Pag-asa. Right after nun, ayan na siya. Okay, so yung parking niya nandito sa right side. So ito, napakaganda ng natin dito, ng showroom natin dito. So upon entering, yan, agad makikita ninyo yung reception area. Okay, so nandito yung ating lounge area. So dito po meron tayong model unit dito na pwede ko ipakita sa inyo, pero i-upload ko yan na separate video. So yung model units ang meron tayo dito, pero right now ang i-discuss ko muna sa inyo is yung yung project itself natin, si Valeron. Okay, so ito makikita ninyo, nandito yung ating scale model. Okay, so dito kay Valeron Tower, so isang tower siya, okay, that hanggang 56 stories. Pero doon sa isang tower na yan, dalawang wing siya. Alright, so this side, on this side, this is C5 Road. Okay, so yan, C5 Road. So ito yung pinaka main drop off area natin, and then magta-turn right tayo kay P.E. Antonio Street. So dito sa street na to, beside Valeron, nandito si Metrobank, and then ito may bagong gasoline station sa other side. So ito yung street na yun, and then ito yung pinaka main, isa pang entrance natin, drop off natin, papasok sa parking area. Alright, so itong wing na to, so this wing is east wing, and then on the other side, ito po si west wing. Okay, so for this project po, we have 56 stories, okay, 55 story na residential, and then sa ground floor, so tatlong parts ang amenities natin here. So sa ground floor, meron tayong commercial area, and then the amenity area is on the 7th floor. Okay, so siya, 5 podium parking levels. Well, ito hanggang 56 stories high. Okay, so dito po kay The Valeron, we're offering malalaking unit sizes. Like, although meron tayong 1-bedroom unit, meron tayong 2-bedroom unit, and meron tayong 3-bedroom unit. So, ang kagandahan dito kay The Valeron, so tatlong amenity siya. So, we have a commercial space on the ground level, and then the amenity level is yung 7th floor natin. So, dito sa ground, dito sa 7th level na to, we have an open lounge here, yung lounge area natin. Okay, so dito tayo wing, and then we also have on the other side Ayan. Ayan. So tagusan siya. So, saan na lang to sa wing? Well, sa east wing, this is the... And then, sa roof deck, meron tayong sky deck pool. Okay? So, lahat ng amenities natin are located on the 7th floor. So, meron tayong basketball court, and then, yung pool side natin. And then, ito yung, yan yung gazebos natin. May lounges tayo. And then, another pool here. Ayan. Tapos, andito yung jogging path natin. Ayan. So, napakaganda. Okay. And then, also here, this is a joint venture po with the DMCA Homes and Marubeni. So, Marubeni Corporation is a Japanese corporation na matagal na rin dito sa atin sa Philippines. So, napakagandang joint venture between two major corporations. Okay, so medyo high-end ang dating natin dito sa project na to. Also, here, in-integrate din natin, syempre, si Lumevent technology natin and yung glass balcony natin. Okay, which focuses so wide yung sa mas malaking doors and windows natin and yung glass balcony. Okay, and also to add on, malapit rin yung project natin doon sa C5 Ortigas Corridor. So, if dadadaan kayo sa C5 Road po, starting with yung kay Arcovia City, tuloy magkakatabi yun Arcovia, and then yung ibang developments ni Mega World, ni SMDC, and then DMCA Homes, okay, kay Valeron Tower, and then after nun kay SMDC, Ayala Park Links, okay, kay Ayala, it is being developed by Ayala Land Premier, and also meron pang other developers si Mega World doon. Okay, so pansin niyo, kumbaga parang yun yung tinatawag natin na C5 corridor So, why I'm mentioning this? Because ang kagandahan doon sa corridor na yun, maganda yung price appreciation doon sa area na yun. Okay, so mabilis mag-price increase, diba? Maganda yung land value natin doon. Okay, so kaya it is a really nice time to invest on this property, especially na bago pa lang siya. Okay, and also for this project, malapit ito kay Ortigas, okay, kay Ortigas CBD, and of course malapit kay Eastwood City. Kumbaga nasa gitna siya and also malapit, very accessible din papuntang BGC, malapit rin siya. So C5 lang ang daan natin. Okay, and then pagdating sa hospitals, malapit ito kay Medical City Ortigas, di ba? And also, ano pa po, pagdating sa groceries, nandiyan si Arcovia, si Landers, katabi lang niya, and also si SNR sa may Libis, okay? And pagdating sa schools, malapit rin si Lourdes School of Mandaluyong, mga exclusive schools natin dyan sa Pasig, Poveda, malapit lang sa may Robinson's Galerias, and also dito po sa area na to, this is very accessible, okay? So madaling puntahan, okay? So, and then parang kagaya ni Allegra Garden, so halos parehas lang sila na nasa tabi ng major road. Okay? So si Allegra, si Prisma na kay C5 Road Corridor Pasig Boulevard, dito po na si Valeron Towers na kay C5 Road din. Okay? So yun po. So that wrap ups my presentation for Valeron Towers. Ngayon, if you want to know more about this project and gusto ninyong i-visit itong napakagandang model unit natin dito, napakagandang showroom natin dito, nandiyan yung numbers ko pa naka-flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp, okay? And also, pwede tayong mag-schedule ng site viewing, pwede tayong puntahan nito, and also pwede tayong schedule ng online presentation via Zoom, okay? So, thank you very much for watching po. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube, ay ma-notify po kayo. So, thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.